We just finished the first half of 2021. If I told you how good the first half of 2021 would be, would you have believed me if I told you this a year ago? Maybe not, right? It's been a awfully good market. So gold, lumber, Bitcoin, these were really big stories on the year. Oil, that's the other big story of the year. A lot of big stories so far for the first half. The energy stocks haven't done quite as well as the price of energy itself. But it used to be that energy stocks would do better than the price of oil. But that's not happening now. And I think it's because the energy companies themselves are being more careful with their cash. And I think the other big thing this year is the meme stocks. This is AMC. It's come off quite a ways, but it's obviously up a heck of a lot too. This company was at one point considered a bankruptcy candidate. The interesting thing is once these stocks go up, these companies are able to sell new shares into the marketplace and raise capital, recapitalize their balance sheets, and all of a sudden these companies become survivors. I don't like to pay a high price for a survivor. I like to pay a high price for a thriver. There's a big difference. And if you look at these stocks, how much these are all down from their highs, especially Clover, Koss, Wendy's, I'm willing to bet that most meme stock investors are getting their asses handed to them. A few people made money and got out. And then there were a few people who are still holding on for dear life and waiting to the moon, right? So that's the big thing, the first half of this year. Very interesting. Meme stocks, crypto, energy, and lumber. These were, to me, the really big stories as far as financial asset prices go this year.